cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henry County and northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County and north central Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atkinson, or 15 miles northeast of Cambridge, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hoop Hole around 5:10 p.m., Walnut around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Normandy, Thomas, Manlius, New Bedford, and Yorktown. This includes Interstate 80 in Illinois near mile marker 32.